Guys, so something very very strange happened in University of Abuja yesterday. In the girls' hostel, um, they killed a very very big python. Like when I say a very big python, it could stay on the neck of like 3 people or 4 people. Like 4 people held it. It was that big and that long. They killed it behind girls' hostel, permanent site, University of Abuja. Man, I don't know, man. I don't know. I feel the environment is too bushy and government has to come and do something about it, because supposing that python like harmed somebody, what would the story have been? You understand? And supposing it was, so now I don't going to be calling somebody, my friend that is in peace sites, like to know, like to hear from somebody that was around the vicinity when it happened, and to know exactly the time when it happened. Yes. So I'm going to be calling her right now. Can you hear me?
What's happening now?
Are they fine? No. Were you in the hostel yesterday? Girls' hostel, peace sites.
Yes.
Okay, you were in the hostel.
Yes, I was.
Omo. So how far now? Like that snake they killed, like what happened?
That was not my hostel, but those Hausa men, they were at the back. You know, they farm around the school now.
Okay, they
Some
farm.
when they saw the snake at the back of the hostel.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they just like that. They did not harm anybody, but.
No, not at all. It didn't.
Was it in the morning or in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, that was when it happened. I think around 2, 3.
Okay. Thank God it's even in the afternoon. As if it was in the night. Hey God.
No, it was in the afternoon. Towards the night.
Okay, was it new hostel or old girls hostel?
New girls hostel.
More. Alright, I just said I should hear from somebody that is there, so that I will know exactly what's happening. Amen. How you doing? I hope you're fine.
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you.
Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Okay, take care. Bye.
So you see, she said it was in the afternoon. And so we just thank God that those Fulani men were there farming to see the snake and kill it. If not, what would have been the story? Do not forget to comment. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment to encourage me, to let me know that yes, people are watching what I'm putting out. And if you know anything about it, you can also just I'm going to be leaving the video after this. Like, I'm leaving the video now. You're going to be watching the video. Carry, make it long. Make it long. Hey! Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye. I just wanted to share with you guys the beautiful sunset this evening. Oh, very fine. Hope you like it.